Hello, I would like to welcome you to this overview video of CAD 305 Introduction to 3D Modeling. In this class, we will be working as if we were in an architect's office where they had given you 2D files of the floor plan, and they've also given you the information for the foundation plans and the elevations. So all of the information will be provided to you in DWG and PDF format, just as if we were working in an office. So we have the 2D information. We would then begin modeling our 3D model of the building. So you can see the foundation information. You'll notice that with the use of transparency, we can see into our model. After we've completed the model, we will bring it onto a site. You will be given the contours and will learn how to put surfaces between the contours. We will model a pier, some site furnishings, and some trees. After we've completed our modeling, we will put these onto deliverable sheet environments. So you can see that I have a printable sheet. My title block is over here on the right. This has one perspective view. I have yet another perspective view and a third view within this drawing. I think you'll really enjoy the class. You'll learn a lot of good things that are very appropriate to how people are using AutoCAD in the professional environment. I look forward to sharing this information with you.